got here done.
Hey guys, I want to teach you guys make the best steaks. I know some people live in an apartment building, don't have barbecue. I'm going to show you how. Perfect steak, children, listen. I have shallots, garlic, and some fresh thyme, room temperature butter. So important. Non-salt. I also have some white pepper. Get a heavy pan, just crush it. Oh shit, I forgot it's fucking salt. Okay, I forgot salt. Okay. Before you grill it, you're making sure it's called room temperature. Oh, that's perfect. White pepper, salt. Now, I'm getting what I talked about earlier, room temperature butter. You're not gonna ask me any funny, stupid things.
I'll just let you embarrass yourself.
Oh, that's funny. The important step is now you're going to thicken up the steak. A frying pan. This frying pan is cast iron, thick. You see how thick it is? It has to be thick cast iron. Heat it up before high heat and then you slow it down. And you get it with your hand. Put shallot, garlic. Now in high heat right now. Turn the heat heating already. Sometimes you see the garlic starting to brown. The steak is like the table. Fresh thyme. Where the oil is. The other side. Turn it high heat again. You bring all this stuff on the top. Let it sear first. I turn it into low heat. Now it's actually slowing cooking inside. Now I could feel it. Actually, I could feel the meat is cooking. Yeah. Now I'm going to take it out. I'm going just to rest. 255, I would say rest about 10 minutes. 10 minutes on that is almost like 266. Yeah.
306 then.
306?
Yeah.
No. Oh wait, yeah. After 2 is 3, right? Holy shit, I need to have a drink then. Cheers. You know what sauce I'm going to use with this? My secret sauce. Open the cap. Do a little. No, I can't do that. This is my secret. Drizzle a little bit of that goodness.
Yeah, same sound.